Now, let's continue learning the rest of the initials. Let's get started. G, like the word Jeep. Please repeat after me. G, G, G. Next is Qi, like the word cheap, like casino chips. Please repeat after me. Qi, Qi, Qi. Next is Xi, like the word she. Please repeat after me. Xi, Xi, Xi. Let's move on to Z, like the word buzz. Please repeat after me. Z, Z, Z. Next is C, like the word hats. Please repeat after me. C, C, C. Next is S, like the word sun. Please repeat after me. S, S, S. And the last initial for this lesson is J, like the French greeting bonjour. Please repeat after me. J, J, J. Got it? Right, in this lesson, we have learned Ji, Qi, Xi, Z, C, S, J. It might be difficult to pronounce these initials at first, but I hope you can get a chance to practice them. I will see you in the next lesson. 再见。